Hey shooters, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to attach your FLASH-5 gun stock to your shotgun. First thing we're going to want to do is place the shotgun on safe. And we're going to check and make sure there's no ammunition inside the shotgun. Let's check the magazine. Let's open up the chamber. Check the chamber. Check it twice. We have a safe and empty gun. The first thing we're going to want to do is to remove whatever gun stock is on your shotgun. If yours is a gun from the manufacturer, you probably have this type of stock on it. And to remove this stock, you'll have 2 screws holding the recoil pad on. Remove those and the recoil pad. Now you'll have to remove the stock from the shotgun. Normally there's a bolt using a flathead screwdriver to remove it. Now you will not need this bolt. The FLASH-5 stock comes with its own hardware package. So set this aside and we'll open up our FLASH-5 box. You'll have a sticker, you'll have instruction manual, the gun stock, recoil pad, hardware package, and a tool to bolt your stock to your gun. First thing we're going to want to do is to take the stock out of the bag. Before we start, we have to remove the magazine from the gun stock before we can mount it. To do that, there's one 8/32 by 1/2 inch long screw in the back. Just remove it and set it off to the side. You're going to need it again. You'll need to remove the lower magazine part, set it aside, and then pull the entire magazine out and set it aside. Now this part and the back of the stock needs to be removed as well before we go any further. Put that aside. Now we need to open up the hardware bag. Remove all the hardware. First thing we'll need is the long bolt. Take the split washer, put it on. Take the flat washer, put it on. When I attach the FLASH-5 to a shotgun, I like to hold the shotgun vertically. If you do this, make sure you set the barrel on something soft like a towel. You don't want to damage the end of your barrel. So be very careful. Now take that bolt that we just put together with the washers, place it on the end of the tool that we gave you, place it inside the stock through the hole in the stock. Now you can see it come out the end. Now simply place the stock on the shotgun and tighten the bolt. Now you're going to want to tighten your stock tightly, but don't overly tighten the stock or else you could damage your receiver. Now, the next step, we want to put the magazine parts back inside the stock. First, place the magazine assembly inside the stock. And from your hardware pack, we're going to take the 3/4 inch thread forming screw, place it in the hole in front of the retainer. Next, we need to place the part that you removed back into the back of the stock. It's held in there with the other thread forming screw, 3/4 inch. Place it at the very bottom here. Now, we need to replace the lower magazine portion. If you only shoot 3-inch and 2 3/4 shells, you don't need to remove this. If you want to hold 3.5 inch shells inside the magazine, you're going to want to remove this, and it simply comes apart. Don't lose this, because you may want to put it back one day. Now, for our purposes, I'm going to leave it in place. So moving the follower out of the way with your finger, replace the lower magazine part. That 1/2 inch screw we removed earlier, you're going to place back in its spot, right in the middle of the stock. Now, all that's left is the recoil pad. Remove it from the bag. Take the last 2 screws you have left and use them to attach the recoil pad. Place the recoil pad on the stock, place a screw and attach, and the other one. And that's it. Your FLASH-5 is now attached to your shotgun. Enjoy.